Good morning, and our usual report as today will be reporting on the Swiss franc, which of course has been pretty much floored at 120 for a long time. However, over the last couple of weeks we've seen some starting to see it going slightly higher, although it remains inside a very narrow 1.5 figure. There is still rumors constantly that the Swiss National Bank will try to keep it higher, i.e. get the Euro Swiss higher, but as it goes with the European crisis still on, it's unlikely. I will say long term, the resolution you need to find to see the Swiss franc weaker and Euro Swiss higher is to find some sort of a medium to long term solution for Europe. In the meantime, of course, Swiss francs are extremely cheap to fund, and we remain of the idea which we put out in a research end of earlier this year, that there is a 70% probability that the Swiss National Bank will prevail in keeping the floor at 120, leaving 30% chance of course, it's not happening. The way to look at this is basically to say that if the peg is falling, then most likely the Euro Swiss will go from 120 to 100, meaning a loss of 20 figures times 30%, meaning effectively the weighted risk being long Euro Swiss is 6 figures of Swiss francs. I think that is the best indication benchmark you can use for how much risk is actually involved to be in Euro Swiss. But overall, we remain of the concept which we have said totally and all the time, that the Swiss National Bank both have the ability and the willingness to keep it alive despite the ongoing European debt crisis.